Hello everyone. This video is information about the NTSC exam. As we all know, NTSC is a National Talent Search Examination, which is a national level scholarship program in India to recognize students with high intellect and academic talent. It is one of the most prestigious national level scholarship exam, which is conducted by NCERT. So it is again like organized to identify talent in India and to nurture the talent for the betterment of the nation, because scholarship is provided. The qualified and talented students are provided with financial assistance in terms of scholarship. So we'll just see why a student should take an NTSC exam. NTSC is because it's a prestigious exam held by the Government of India at school levels. It provides a unique opportunity for brilliant students to gain exposure to match his actual potential, to know his worth. The exposure gained while preparing and appearing for NTSC exams propels him to the heights of success in future competitions. Also because it prepares the students for future competitions as well. So while preparing for NTSC, a student builds up his competence in two very critical areas. One is the mental ability, and the second is the scholastic aptitude. Mental ability is the skills to logically reason out and find solution to the trickiest problem given. And scholastic aptitude is a sound foundation in the area of sciences, mathematical, and general awareness that form a major part of any competitive exam, wherever you go, be it the entrance to IAS, management, law, engineering, medical, etc. A student well prepared for NTSC has always driven himself to an advantageous position vis-a-vis his peers and future competitors, right from the very formative years of the student. So let us see what's the eligibility criteria for NTSC. Students of class 10 studying in the affiliated schools to CBSE are eligible to appear for stage 1 examination conducted by the states or the union territories in which the schools are located. So syllabus, let's see what's the syllabus. Syllabus for NTSC is broadly equivalent to the syllabi followed in class 9th and 10th of the NCERT curricula. However, the syllabus is only a broad guideline. No chapters, nothing is defined. It's just a broad guideline given that anything from 9th and 10th can be asked. And the medium of exam is English and Hindi. Let's see the stages of NTSC. NTSC exam is conducted in two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1, as we just saw, it's conducted at state level, and it is conducted by SIERT, that is the State Institute of Educational Research and Training. And stage 2 is conducted at national level. Whoever clears stage 1 is eligible to appear for stage 2 exam. So this is conducted at national level, which is conducted by NCERT, that is the National Council of Educational Research and Training. So the first stage exam pattern consists of mental ability test, language comprehension test, and scholastic aptitude test. So that is MAT, LCT, and SAT. MAT is of 50 marks, 50 questions each. Language comprehension is 40 questions, 40 marks, and scholastic is the maximum because it comprises of social sciences, basic sciences, and mathematics, everything. It consists of 90 questions and 90 marks. Next, moving on to the stage 2 exam pattern. Whoever, I'm just repeating again, whoever clears the stage 1 exam is eligible for stage 2. So the stage 2 exam comprises of these three sections again: mental ability, language comprehension, SAT. Now the pattern, the marking scheme differs here. So MAT consists of 50 questions, 50 marks. Language comprehension, 50 marks, 50 questions. Language comprehension here is both English and Hindi. Scholastic ability, scholastic aptitude, that is SAT, consists of now 100 questions and 100 marks. And here one thing is introduced, that is a negative marking. So deduction of 1/3 of marks for every wrong question, for every wrong answer, and no marks is deducted for unattempted question. So this negative marking is introduced for stage 2 exam pattern. And let us see what is the scholarship provided by the government for the NTSC scholars. So almost about 4,000 students every year appear, and on the basis of the examination conducted, 1,000 scholarships are awarded for each group of students appearing for class 10 examination. So scholarship of rupees 1,250 per month for class 11th and 12th for the entire duration of 2 years, and the scholarship of rupees 2,000 per month for the scholarship. The good thing is scholarship is for throughout their life, 11th, 12th, and undergraduate and postgraduate. So every month the student is provided for 5-6 years this much money, and amount of scholarship for PhD is fixed as per the UGC norms. So that's a very good thing that's done by the government to promote good intellect in the country, because they are funded after 10th throughout their life for their studies. Thank you.